Hello everyone, welcome to LimeGuru channel. In this session, we'll see that how you can implement multi-threading in Python program. So let's say I have defined two functions. One is say hello function one. What it is doing is that it is iterating 10 times and then printing hello function one. Just to put some pause after each print, I have put a sleep for 0.2 seconds, and then similarly second function is also there, say hello function 2, which is again iterating 10 times and then printing hello function 2. Now let's say if by default when you run these functions, what you'll do is you will call these functions, say hello function 1 and say hello function 2. Now both these functions will run in a same thread, and that's why both the functions will run in sequence. Let's try to run this program now first. So when I run this program, so you can see hello function 1 is coming 10 times first, and then hello function 2 is coming after that. So these programs are executing in sequence, these are not executing in parallel. So there is no multi-threading nature in the execution. But let's say you want to execute both these functions in parallel, so what you'll have to do is you'll have to implement multi-threading. So let me clear this first and close it. Let me show you that how you can implement multi-threading. So first thing you'll need to do is you'll have to import threading to use the multi-threading concept. And let me uncomment this piece of code and I'll explain you what this piece of code is doing. And let me comment out this piece of code. So instead of calling the functions again, now I'm using threading library, and I'm defining a new thread, threading.thread, and the target for the first thread is say hello function 1. So say hello function 1 is my first function which I was calling, and I'm assigning it to variable t1. Similarly, I'm creating t2 thread using threading.thread, and the target is say hello function 2. Now these two threads are created. I'll start these two threads, t1.start and t2.start, and in order for my program to wait, so that my program should wait until t1 and t2 both are not finished, my program should not exit. So I'll do t1 dot join, so my program will wait until t1 is not completed, and my program will wait until t2 is not completed. So I'll do t2 dot join also. So in this way I can implement multi-threading. Let's try to run this program now. So if I run this program, so now you can see that you can see the output. Sometimes hello function 1 is printed, and sometimes hello function 2 is printed, then sometimes hello function 1 is printed, then sometimes hello function 2 is printed. So you can see that both the programs are executing in parallel, and sometimes function 1 execution is taking place, and whenever the function 1 goes to sleep position, then function 2 takes over. Similarly, when function 2 goes to sleep, then function 1 takes over. Both the functions are running in parallel in multiple threads, in a different threads, because we have changed the nature of these functions to run in parallel using this multi-threading concept. You can pass the parameters also to your target. If you want to pass any parameters, you can do that. That is also possible in target. You can provide the arguments also to your thread, and those will be passed to your function. So in this way you can implement multi-threading in Python. I hope this concept is helpful to you. I'll share this code onto GitHub URL, which will be shared with the video description. If you like the concept, do press the like button, do share this video with others, and do subscribe LimeGuru channel. Thank you.